Hey guys, Jonathan Minascara here. Today I'm going to do a tier list PBS kids shows. So I'm going to rate of them. The reason why I want to do this because I wanted to inspire by Random DR star Nickelodeon fan 2K6. Yep. And you animate. So this one means first one says like/love. This means I like it and love these shows. This one is neutral. Yeah, because I kind of okay, I guess. So it is don't know. This one means hate/despise. I really hate that show so much. This one is never watched/no opinion. So I already put the shows that I've never watched, and I have no opinion on it. No opinion on it. So anyways, let's get started. Oh, and one more thing before we get started, because I just watched Princess Hannah Lynn's video of Rose PBS Kids ratings. So that's how I watched it today, and she uploaded it. So anyways, let's get started. It's Almost Way. I guess it's okay. In my opinion. Neutral. Yeah, I'm neutral to Almost Way. So yeah. Next one is Arthur. Yeah, hate Arthur. No. I don't hate Arthur. I'm neutral Arthur. It's okay. It's okay in my opinion. Go Arthur. Arthur, come on. Good. Barney, yeah, I hate Barney. Opinions I handle. If you like Barney, I can handle your opinion. Yep, hate/despise. Next one is the Burning Sting Bears. I guess. Burning Sting Bears. Next one is Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. I guess. I guess it's Bill Nye the Science Guy. Next, Bob the Builder. I guess I hate it. I hate Bob the Builder. So this one is the original Bob the Builder, different, and this is the reboot Bob the Builder. So I hate Bob the Builder. Opinions I don't know if you like Bob the Builder. I can handle your opinion. Good. Next one is Booba. Booba? Hate Booba. Yeah, it's so creepy. Yeah, Booba. So next is Caillou. I'm okay with Caillou, but yeah, I hate season 1. So yeah, I'm neutral to modern Caillou. This Caillou. So opinion. No. Oops. Made a mistake. I'm okay with Caillou. So opinions I don't know if you like Caillou. I can handle your opinion. Next one is Cat in the Hat. Um, Cannot. I don't like it. I don't like it. So, opinions I handle. If you like this show, I can handle your opinion. Clifford. Yeah. Clifford the Big Red Dog. I hate it. I don't like Clifford. Opinions I handle. If you like it, you can handle your opinion. Hate slash despise. Leeway. Come on. Next is Curious George. It's okay, in my opinion. It's okay in my opinion. So neutral. Next one is Cyber Chase. Yeah, Cyber Chase is okay. Okay. Next is Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. I like Daniel Tiger. It's my favorite show. So, yeah. Like slash love. So yeah, Dinosaur Train. I hate Dinosaur Train. But if you like Dinosaur Train, can handle your opinion. Next, Don Quixote. I guess I'm neutral to it. I'm neutral to. I guess I am kind of neutral. Guess I'm kind of okay with it. Next is Eleanor Wonders Why. I like this show. Eleanor Wonders Why is my favorite show. So yeah. Next, Fetcher Furfurf Man. Hate Fetcher Furfurf Man. I hate it. It's so annoying. Fuck it. Oh, sorry about my swear. Next is Franny's Feet. I don't like Franny's Feet. If you like Franny's Feet, can handle your opinion. No. So yeah. Hero Elementary. I like this show. I like Hero Elementary. So yeah. Next, JJ the Jet Plane. Hate it, because it's so creepy. Yeah, JJ the Jet Plane is so creepy, in my opinion. So hate slash despise. Yeah. Next, let's go on. It's okay in my opinion. I don't care. Let's go on there. Next, the Magic School Bus. Magic School Bus. Next is Martha Speaks. It's okay in my opinion, so yeah. I don't care if Martha Speaks. If you like it, so I can handle your opinion. So, Miss Rogers' Neighborhood. Miss Rogers' Neighborhood. Molly of Denali. Yes, I like Molly Denali. Yep. Next, Nature Cat. I like Nature Cat. So yeah. Odd Squad. It's okay in my opinion. I don't care if Odd Squad. But if you like it, it's like, Pickle Sky, I don't like Pickle Sky. It's like, sorry for my swearing. Sex. Pinkalicious and Peterific. I like Pinkalicious. Favorite show. Yes. Few more left. Pocoyo. It's okay in my opinion. I'm okay with Pocoyo. Yeah, opinion change. Yeah, I'm starting to be okay with it. That show. Next is Ready Jet Go. Yes. No. I'm okay with it. Yeah, I'm okay with Ready Jet Go. Next is Rosie's Rules. Yes, I like Rosie's Rules. It's my favorite show. So, I'm not being a Rosie's Rules fan, but next is Sesame Street. I hate Sesame Street. If you like Sesame Street, I can handle your opinion. City Science Kid. I don't like City Science Kid. But if you like it, I can handle your opinion. Splash and Bubbles. I guess I have no opinion on that show. Super Y. Hate Super Y. Super Y sucks. Next is Teletubbies. I hate Teletubbies. If you like Teletubbies, I can handle your opinion. Next is Thomas and Friends. It's okay in my opinion. I'm okay with Thomas and Friends. 5 more shows left, so Wildcats. I like Wildcats. Wildcats is good, in my opinion. Alright, okay. These 2 shows have the words section, so I have no opinion on that show. So, Word Girls are okay, in my opinion. I'm okay with that show. Alright, 2 more shows left. Alright, Xavier Riddle. Yes, I like that show. Xavier Riddle's my favorite show. Yep. Xavier Riddle. Now finally, Work It Out Wombats. Yes. I like Work It Out Wombats. So, there. That's all of the PBS Kids shows. So, let's see. Love Flashlight is Daniel Tiger, Eleanor, Wonders Why, Elementary, Molly Denali. Too lazy to do them. So yeah, these are the shows I have liked. And these are the shows I'm neutral to. And these are the shows I'm and these are the PBS Kids shows I hate / despise them. Good, I think that's it. And I never want. And these are the PBS Kids shows I have never watched / no opinion on it. So, anyways, this is me signing off. Goodbye.